can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
Okay, before we start decorating, I wanted to show you guys, we pulled out the Christmas tree. Bianca and I are getting ready to decorate. And in case you're new to my channel, I have all of my patriotic decor up. The reason I'm going to just continue this theme with the tree, which I don't think I did that last year. I don't think my Christmas in July tree was patriotic themed, is because this decor is only going to stay up just a few more weeks, because then we're going to be transitioning into fall decor, which I know seems early, but we do that just to help you guys, give you guys ideas, all that stuff. So I am going to use a ton of patriotic decor. I pulled out some blankets and some Christmas pillows just to kind of make it, you know, summery and Christmas, very Christmas in July. I could not find my tree skirt, so I'm going to have to use this blanket. I'm kind of nervous because of the puppies, but I'm really hoping that they don't try to tear it up. So we'll have to see how that goes, but I'm so excited, so let's get started.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
You know what the fun Christmas fact is? The fun Christmas fact is, did you know how they paint ornaments? They don't paint them from the outside. They take off the top, the little silver part, and then they put paint in it. Fun Christmas facts with me. Thank you for watching.
I was really struggling with this tree, and I forget every year that the top of this tree, the bulbs are burnt out. I was even asking Steven. He was just trying to make sure that I had all of the correct cords connected, and I did. So he is going to go find the rest of my Christmas lights, and I want to share what I've been enjoying for the past couple months. I want to thank Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. I have been using Skillshare for a couple months now, and I'm absolutely loving it. If you're not familiar with Skillshare, Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for anyone who loves learning and wants to explore their creativity and learn new skills. Currently, I'm taking a class called Style Your Space, Creative Tips and Techniques for Interior Design. As many of you know, I'm a licensed cosmetologist, and YouTube is my hobby and passion. Anything I can do to improve my channel and bring you guys more value, I'm willing to learn. Skillshare has allowed me to take an area like interior design, apply real skill to it, and create something beautiful in my home, which I hope in return inspires all of you in your homes. This class has inspired me and already has me thinking how I can apply what I've learned to style my space, apply all of these new tips and trends. Because y'all know I love collecting some cool vintage pieces, and now I'll know exactly how to style them. Skillshare also offers classes on how to start a YouTube channel in case you have wanted to find a way to share your talents and story with the world. They also have cooking, baking, and yoga. I mean, the list goes on. If you guys want to check it out, the first 1,000 of my viewers who sign up using code AshleyJAaron07221 will get a free month trial of Skillshare, so you can start exploring your creativity today. If you guys want to join me in learning about interior decorating, cooking, baking, all of the amazing things that you can learn on Skillshare, we can do that on Instagram. We can share photos of the things that we learned and the projects that we're working on. It will just give us another way to connect here online. So don't forget to check out my description box with my code and the link down below. And thank you again to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video.
Jingle bells ring.
I am so excited to share this tree with you guys because it is honestly so affordable, and I know that it is such a hard time for everybody right now, and it seems like things aren't going to get any better anytime soon. So I was really excited that I was able to create such a beautiful tree for only $23. Everything on this tree is from Dollar Tree, and when I cashed out, the total was $23. I was so excited. So I wanted to show you guys that even with the holidays coming up, even with times being really hard, you can still create something really beautiful that's still very affordable. For this tree, I used a combination of the wire garland and this ribbon. I used 3 or 4 different types of ribbon. I know I bought 4, but I'm not sure if I used them all. I can't remember. But this ribbon is not the easiest to work with, I will say. I love Dollar Tree. I love their ribbon. It's very beautiful, but because it doesn't have wire in it, it's a lot harder to work with. So I just wanted to make sure that I mentioned that to you guys because it is going to take a little bit more patience if you're used to working with ribbon that does have wire. But I just used the pinch and tuck method, and it seems to work out just fine. I also add in some signs. They take up a lot of space, and they're not as expensive as ornaments are, so it's just a really great affordable option. Now I am adding in a few of my favorite Christmas pillows and a blanket just to make it a little cozier and to make it feel truly like Christmas. Then I am going to add in my favorite Mrs. Meyer's peppermint spray. I use this at Christmas, so it definitely will make it feel very festive in here, and we are going to vacuum, and then you can see the final reveal. Finished the living room. I'm so obsessed. I absolutely love this tree. I'm so glad I went with my gut and decided to keep the patriotic decor going. Super affordable. Everything was from Dollar Tree. I just love it. And so far, the puppies have shown no interest at all in the trees. So hopefully this is like a dress rehearsal for Christmas and we will be good to go. But I figured while we are making dinner, Steve Steven and I are gonna make reindeer burgers and frozen hot chocolate. How cute would it be for the girls to have this little area set up where they can decorate these pineapples with these little ornaments? My mom grabbed these last year from Walmart, and I just thought they were so perfect for summer with the bright colors. And I need to find my twinkle lights. I don't know where those are, but I'm gonna see if I can grab some. And then they have these cute headbands they can put on, so super fun, something just quick and easy they can do. We're gonna have dinner, and then we are gonna watch Christmas movies.
La da da da, oh oh oh. La da da da, oh oh oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
I love it. It turned out so good.
Very messy.
I loved it. Did you guys have fun doing it?
I had a lot of fun doing this.
So is this a good Christmas in July activity?
Oh yeah, this was so much fun.
So cute.
Me and Aubrey love each other tree.
Oh my gosh, these
Yeah,
are
yours turned out
so
amazing.
cute. No, yours turned out amazing too. I love how the ornaments went all the way up. Good job, guys.
So,
High five.
La da da da, oh oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you.
So you do some and I'll do some?
yeah.
So this is what we're gonna do it. Let me show you. I think like this.
Okay.
And then maybe this one will go here. You
So
got
I
it?
think that one should go across from it.
No, yeah, like right across from it.
Like right-
You wanna do it?
Yes.
Go ahead. Good job. Now, do you want to put the note? So I would do the eyes next.
Okay, the eyes.
So this white one.
This white.
So yep, we're gonna do it like up here a little bit. A little bit more right there and there.
And then put the olives.
It's not a dress, it's a kilt. Settle.
Let's get, maybe we should get a little bit of mayo to get them to stick, or you think that's good?
I think
Gate.
this would be good.
Okay.
But if you guys want to put mayo on it, you guys can do whatever you want. Right, Mom?
Sure.
And then the noses can go right here. That's what I'm thinking.
Oh, that's so cute, baby. Do you want to do all of them?
Yeah. I put the nails on.
Nose, yep, right there.
This is how it's supposed to be. Making our Christmas memories. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Mom, how do the burgers look? Antlers are on.
I
the
love
eyes,
it.
And the red noses. For Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
You did so good. Bianca, I love your burgers. They turned out so good. Are you gonna get in there?
Yes.
Let me see. So cute. You did so good, baby. Are you ready to eat some dinner?
Yes.
And then are we gonna have some dessert after?
Yes.
I can't wait. And watch The Grinch.
Here's a happy holiday, a very Merry Christmas to you. Oh, very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas.
I wanted to show you guys. So in case you are thinking of celebrating Christmas in July, this is something so fun that I set up after dinner when we are having our movie night. I'm gonna make some frozen hot chocolate. So we just have some of the ingredients here, and I also have these cute little Santa picks that I'm gonna put in the frozen hot chocolates. And then I just set out some like holiday sprinkles, some candy canes, and then I also put out some popcorn and snacks in case anybody wants that instead. And I just thought this is such a cute, fun idea in case you are celebrating with your family. For the frozen hot chocolate, I decided to make homemade whipped cream. It's only 3 ingredients. You're gonna need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Once this is all combined in a cold mixing bowl and it starts to create stiff peaks, I then transferred it to a piping bag.
My time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of it.
Bianca had one of her best friends in town visiting just for the day, so they wanted to help me make this frozen hot chocolate. It's super easy. We just took 1 cup of regular milk, 1 cup of chocolate milk, and then we added 2 tablespoons of fudge and 3 to 4 packets of hot cocoa mix. We also added 3.5 cups of ice and blended well. Once all of that was done, we topped it with whipped cream. I will leave the recipe down below in the description box in case you want to make it.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
So good, guys.
Thank you for coming to Bianca.
You guys did so good. Thanks for helping me make the frozen hot chocolate, guys.
You're welcome.
All right, go ahead, dig in.
I'll grab this one. Hang on, should we get straws?
I'm gonna get one of these.
Okay, I
I'm
want
gonna get this straw. Put it
I'll
in the
get this
middle.
one.
I'm gonna hit this one.
I don't
I'm
like
gonna-
peppermint candy canes like that.
I'm gonna put them right there on the top.
So cute.
You
There.
ready to try?
3,
2, 1.
It's good?
Huh?
You guys did a good job?
Mm-hmm.
Yay, I'm so glad you like it.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the